Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save a video to a playlist or your watch later section on the YouTube application on your TV. So let's select YouTube right now. Then I have a video opened up right here, and I want to press up on my remote, and then I can see the timeline on the bottom. Press up again, then scroll all the way over to this icon right here. This is called Save. And if I select this, I can save it to my watch later. Then I can save it to a playlist that I've created on my YouTube account. And then I can go over to my watch later. So let's back out. Then press back again. Scroll all the way down to library. Then go to the right. Then I can go down to watch later. And I can see the video I just saved right here. Then I can go down to my playlists. And I can see all my different playlists as well. So if I save something to my playlist. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.